Hi, welcome to SIMS. Today's sum. Raghu bought an almirah for 6,250 and spent 375 on its repairs. Then he sold for it 6,890 rupees. Find his gain or loss percent. So let's see the solution. Cost price of almirah is 6,250 rupees. Overheads means repairs is 375 rupees. So total cost price is 6,625 rupees. So selling price is 6,890 rupees. Here we clearly know that 6,890 is more than the 6,625. So cost price, since selling price is greater than the cost price, Raghu gains. So gain is equal to how much rupees gain? 6,890 minus 6,625. So this subtraction will be the applied. 265 rupees is gain. 265 rupees gain. You find the percent. So gain percent is gain by cost price into 100. So gain is 265 by total cost price is 6,625 rupees into 100. This is cancelled in 5 table. 5 20s is 5 1s are 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again cancels 5 table, 5 4s are, and again 5 2s are 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, next 5 6s are 30, 5 5s are 25. So here 265 cancels in one time. So 1 into 4 is 4. So 4% he gained 4%. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.